So Carlos, what are we doing here?
So right here, we're gonna change the pads. Hopefully they're the right one for this 2012 Honda Pilot. This time I'm trying to actually show you what we're doing. So right now I got 17mm.
And all we did so far was just take off the tire.
The thing is, I don't know which side is what. So, trying to see. Yep, it's up, because of course they're not gonna make it easy for you. But got a 17. I got one of these. Just easier for me. They're stronger.
And you're hitting it backwards or forwards?
And I'm hitting it up.
You're hitting it up, huh?
Yep. So towards my left cruise. Yep. So that one's out. And of course it's still tight because that's life. And I'm hoping. And this is my first time actually doing this.
No kidding, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen. So don't judge me. First time I'm doing this. This one we're gonna try to do it like this. Oh, look at this. Now it wants to come out.
Nice and easy.
Okay. I'm hoping that I don't have to take it out. See? Oh! Beautiful. I'm hoping I don't have to take it out. So, let me do it while I'm here. So that goes like that, right? Now, yep, we had enough there. So we still had here. We're gonna see the back, I think, is the worst. So we're gonna open this. Yeah, I think the back is the worst one. This is not so bad, but you're gonna need some rotors soon, definitely.
Think so, huh?
Yeah, rotors definitely.
How soon?
Well, you might as well not wait until the pads go out, I guess.
Take a while though.
So this basically goes like this, and this helps hold it together. Okay. So now we have an idea. This basically just go in it to help it to hold together. Now, watch. This is what I'm talking about. Damn.
Yeah, a little bit of pad left on it.
Jeez. That's gotta be in the back. Definitely has to be in the back. Look at how stuck this thing is.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it goes up. So it goes up. We know that. Okay. And now what I was talking to you about is this. Look at this thing. That's why they give you new ones. You're actually supposed to exchange them. Look at that. Sometimes I will clean there, but
put that new pad on, huh?
Let's see. Yeah, the problem is, let's see what the guy said, if he was right about it.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh Lord, I don't like putting my head in here. It's in there. People, and now this is what we call the MacGyver.
All right.
Oh, I gotta do one more thing. One of you's gotta open that door, open the hood, and open the brake thing, the brake fluid thing.
Here, Peter.
We gotta do that because we're gonna push it, and then it's gonna pop it right out. So we gotta brake fluid.
Right,
We gotta wait. Now remember, this is the front, so I'm not gonna do another video on the other side. I'm gonna do a video of the back because you already know how this mostly. You're gonna need a 17. Remember, you can use a socket, a wrench, whatever you want. And it's gonna be up to take them off, up on the screw. And this, you're gonna try to center it the best you can, because this is what sucks. You can't really center this to put both cylinders in. So you're gonna push, you're gonna see the cylinder going in. Only bad thing is only one side.
Do you want to check the hood?
You could look if you want. You go check. Show the viewers.
Got the.
Is it going up yet, the fluid, or no?
Don't see any fluid yet.
Then this thing was empty. But you're gonna see it by the time we get to the.
Let's see. Keep going.
Oh, don't worry. This is just one.
Oh no, it's filling up a little bit.
Yeah. Imagine when we're done with the other ones.
Yeah, filled up a little bit.
This is just one, my friend.
A little bit.
This one looks good, but this one doesn't look so good, man. What I think. What now with this? Of course, why not? Wow, these things are still new, nice, see? My car, one of them is supposed to jam already in the back. See this bushings? See how it's supposed to move like that. If you do it and it's not moving, you gotta take that off, man, and try to put grease in there or something, because this is supposed to move. It's supposed to bush in a little bit like this.
That's good, so it's work.
So it's good. Shape. So now we put this back. Hopefully we can get it back where it was.
Man, they'd kick Monte's ass over in Hawaii wearing his socks and sandals like that. My God.
Let me see this. Yep, going in. Oh, wait, we forgot something. Sheesh. So it's not a big deal, but see these springs? They brought them, right?
Put the spring
so I'm gonna put them back in there where they belong. This is the new ones too. See, and what this does is usually when you step on the brakes, it closes, it pushes the pads together, right? So what this spring does is when you let go of the brake inside the car, this spring brings the pads away from the rotor so it don't make noise.
Gotcha.
A lot of vehicles don't have that. Like mine, my Ford Taurus don't have that, so sometimes the brake pad stays there and they squeal. So this is a good idea, Honda. I gotta give it to y'all. Your engineers know how to do your thing. Ford, I can't talk bad about y'all, but see, look how I already pushed it, see? It tries to push. Yeah. So that's what it does. It does help. So I gotta give it to them. That's a good idea.
Watch out for the springs.
So remember the springs. So now I'll see you on YouTube in the next time we do the back one, which is later on. Right now we're gonna do the other side, and I'm not recording it. So pay attention. 17. All right, 17 millimeters, and now we're going down. I only took one side, so that's good. Apparently you don't need to take out both sides. Hopefully we don't gotta bleed this
Maybe
car.
We'll show them how to take the tire off on the back.
So, and there we go. And this car is ready for the tires to go back in.
Beautiful.
So now Peter's gonna put the tires in.
That's it.
And we're moving on to the next side.
To the other side. There we go.
Yeah, you're gonna put it in there, you're gonna have to listen. But watch out, don't let that dude, I gotta chop these tires. This thing up. For real. There you go. You're gonna have to lift it.
And line them up.
Yeah, line them up. It's just rough. You get it. And half an hour later, we're here.
We're here.
He's still putting the tires.
Yeah.
Half an hour later.
What's up, YouTube? Doing it by hand, guys.
He's doing it caveman style. So people, hopefully you're not so mad at us. We're actually showing you this time. I know that last time we did the alternator and we were just chilling and we actually didn't show you how to do it. But I did tell you what kind of tools you will need. So you can't say nothing. Look at this baby. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, you can, but it's in there, the new one. Can you see? Oh yeah. Let me see. Can you see it? It's new. You can see that whatever, the only thing that's actually new down there. He didn't watch the engine. I told him, watch the engine. Did he listen? No. What? Tell me, YouTube, when does Peter listen to me? Never.
What'd I say?
He just acts like he listens, but never.
He doesn't.
I would have watched this engine. So one of these days, we're going to grab my car and his.
Yeah.
And we're going to do it, man. We're going to drive wherever, Lawrence, wherever it takes, and watch that engine. What do you say about that, Nicholas?
Needs to happen. What my blockage says?
Okay, not so much, Peter.
No.
Not so much. No, leave it. That's fine. You know what's the reason?
What?
Because
you don't want him to be off that.
No, the jack is up. It could fall. So what you do is you get them tight enough, then you bring the jack down enough that this touches the floor a little bit, and then you tighten it, and then you bring down the whole jack. But you could leave it like, yeah, get them tight like that. Pretty sweet. The thing about that one, you can't pause it. You gotta stop it and then start a new one.
Do you have your other phone or no?
Yeah. That one's dying though.
Oh.
Alright, just undoing the nuts here.
The back one now.
Yeah, you are a nut.
So in the back, it was a 12 millimeter. It wasn't a 17 like in the front. It's a 12 millimeter for the back, and that's it. You just take the bottom one. You don't got to take off the whole, both of them. Just take the bottom screw off, and then lift the caliper up, and right there you should be able to.
And sorry guys, it's getting dark out now.
Yeah, super dark. Gonna look. Yeah. All right. So as a size 12, I'm gonna use this one. Hopefully it's down.
What's up? It's gotta be up, right?
Up, you think? That side was up, right?
Yeah.
So this one's gotta be down. It's gotta be the opposite. Has to be the opposite. That's what it is. It sucks. Cause it's so old, man. Oh, look at this one. Look at the difference, huh? Look at the difference, huh?
There we go.
See? Cause this one is already from so many years of use. It's junk. So we're gonna see, ladies and gentlemen, what Peter did to this side.
There's one up though.
Huh?
There's another one up there.
Yeah, but it's only one. Because we're going to pull it up, hopefully. Take off the top.
That's what I said.
No, but you don't have to, though. You shouldn't have to take it off. See? It should just come off. Without taking it off. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. I need you, my man. I need you, Nick. So this side, we do have pads, people.
Yeah?
We still have some pads. See, this side is not so tough. So we do have plenty, as you can see.
You ate it because of the rotor, huh?
See? Yeah. Look at that. But it was dying too, almost. But we had enough. And there's no special way that it goes. They're both the same, as far as I can see. See, but it's not so hard on this. Do it. Because they're new. No, I'm going to leave the old ones.
Okay.
They're still good. Now, let me see if I don't let go of the... See? Look at the difference, man. I'm telling you. I'm gonna leave it like that. Oh, Nick, we have to go MacGyver, so hold that.
Oh, like the way I'm holding it?
Whoa. So that's how old this thing is. It's rust. Oh, geez, sorry, man.
That's why they make this stuff to like tear away.
Get this thing in there somehow. I don't know how, but somehow we gotta get it to stick there. Just enough. Is it going? All right, so it's the same thing, YouTube. I hope y'all can see it. I know it's dark, so whatever. Same thing. You use a 12 millimeter in the back. You lift it up, and you good? It's hurting you?
No. I might like. There was like a bug.
Okay. And this is done. And I left the old ones because my God, I hope that side don't stick. And we close it up. See, this is sticking, so we push it, go like that, push it in, put this back. And we're done, YouTube. Have a great night.
That one was so much easier.
To all, a Merry Christmas. Now just, you know, Peter's got to do the same thing, put the tire on the back, and we're done. But
That's it.
there you go. So don't complain about us not showing the alternator. Because we do have a life. This is our life, YouTube.
That's it.
Don't judge us.